Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete your BestWallet account. To delete your BestWallet account, first of all open up the BestWallet app from your mobile device and log in. Once you end up in the home page, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Under settings, scroll all the way down and tap on delete account button at the bottom. Deleting your account will delete your alias and all associated BestWallet transaction history, but it will not affect any of your assets stored in your wallet. Before deleting your account, you must also store your backup or private key, since the deletion process is irreversible. If you want to back up before deleting your account, then you can go back and then tap on the Manage Wallets button inside Settings. Tap on your wallet that you want to delete or back up and click on Private Keys. Tap the Continue button and reveal your private keys. You might need to enter your passcode to reveal them. And once you reveal your private key, tap on Copy to Clipboard and paste in the private key in a secure location. Now that you've backed up your private key, get back to the Settings tab and go to Delete Account again and click on Delete Account. Enter your passcode once again for your wallet and your account now has been deleted. That is how you delete your BestWallet account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.